When you need to machine parts on a lathe, CAMWorks Turn gives you an intuitive way to create fast, error-free toolpaths. Since it's fully integrated into SolidWorks, all of the tools you need are right at your fingertips, and the process of creating toolpath and G-code is as simple as navigating from left to right on the toolbar. CAMWorks includes its powerful automatic feature recognition technology, which saves you time by analyzing the model and defines turning machinable features such as the OD and ID of the part, front face and grooves. If you would prefer to define features manually, you can also use CAMWorks' interactive feature definition wizard that makes it quick and easy. This interactive approach gives you total control over the features you want to machine. 2- and 4-axis turning also includes automatic roughing, finishing, grooving, threading, cutoff, and single-point cycles such as drilling, boring, reaming, and tapping. CAMWorks allows you to take advantage of knowledge-based machining through its powerful and customizable technology database. CAMWorks can identify features that meet certain criteria and apply your company's best practices of cutting strategies, tools, and feeds and speeds. You can easily make adjustments and save those settings to be reused on similar features in the future. For generating efficient toolpaths, the Work in Process function monitors the stock to generate toolpaths only where required, to reduce or eliminate time-wasted air cutting. CAMWorks automatically defines the tool approach and retract to avoid collision with the Work in Process model. Front and rear turret configurations are supported on main and subspindles. Multiple chuck configurations can be saved and accurately simulated. With CAMWorks Turn, you get fast, error-free toolpaths, quickly and easily, that give you consistent results.